So here's the fun part. Step 1, remove any jewelry you've got on your hands. Step 2, I already went ahead and put my turkey in the pan here, so I don't make a tremendous mess when I do this, just a small mess. We're just going to take our olive oil and just lightly drizzle it all over the turkey. This is the turkey's favorite part, by the way. It likes this part. Like it's going to the beach. You're putting sunscreen all over the turkey. Alright, so nice thin layer of olive oil all over the turkey. Thin being the important part. Too much and it'll burn. So now we just salt said turkey. You want to salt it pretty heavily, to be honest, because you're going to rub this salt all over it. It's not just going to stay right here on the top. So you can kind of pile it on. And with the pepper, pretty much the same thing. Oops, peppermill got a little bound up. It's also hard to use peppermill if you have greasy hands. As I've noticed countless times, yet I still keep doing it. Alright, that looks good. Now I'm going to throw on a super duper top secret ingredient now. But I'll tell you what it is. It's just a roasted garlic powder. If I can find it, what I do with it. We'll need a little bit of this. This isn't garlic salt. This is roasted garlic powder. A little bit different. You could also take just plain roasted garlic paste and rub it all over. And a little bit of that goes a long way. So now, you take said clean hands that are jewelry free and give the turkey a nice massage. So here is our fully dressed up, ready to go turkey. So we're going to go at 325 for a 13-pound turkey, about 3.5 hours. So off we go. Shit.